Green tea, natural antioxidant and stimulant. Hello everyone! Today, I want to share with you the remarkable benefits of green tea, a natural beverage that has been cherished for centuries for its health-promoting properties. Known for its antioxidants and gentle stimulating effects, green tea is a versatile ally for both body and mind. Green tea is rich in polyphenols, which are powerful antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that can accelerate aging and contribute to chronic diseases. By neutralizing these free radicals, green tea supports overall health and helps maintain vitality. One of the key antioxidants in green tea is epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG. Research has shown that EGCG can help reduce inflammation, improve heart health, and support metabolism. By including green tea in your daily routine, you provide your body with a natural defense against oxidative stress and cellular damage. Green tea is also a natural stimulant. It contains a moderate amount of caffeine, enough to increase alertness and focus without the jitters commonly associated with coffee. The caffeine in green tea works synergistically with L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes relaxation and mental clarity. This combination helps you feel energized yet calm, enhancing productivity and mental performance. Another important benefit of green tea is its ability to support metabolism and weight management. Studies suggest that green tea can enhance fat oxidation and increase energy expenditure. While it is not a magic solution, incorporating green tea into a healthy lifestyle can complement your efforts in maintaining a balanced weight and overall wellness. Green tea also contributes to heart and cardiovascular health. Regular consumption has been associated with improved cholesterol levels, better blood vessel function, and reduced risk factors for heart disease. Its antioxidants help protect arteries from damage and support healthy circulation. For mental well-being, green tea is equally valuable. Its combination of caffeine and L-theanine improves attention, memory, and mood. Many people find that a cup of green tea during the day boosts focus and productivity without causing the stress or crash that comes from stronger stimulants. Green tea is also hydrating and detoxifying. While often considered a stimulant, it contributes to fluid intake and contains compounds that support the body's natural detoxification processes. This gentle detox effect helps maintain liver health and promotes overall wellness. When it comes to practical use, green tea can be enjoyed in various forms. Hot brewed tea, which preserves its antioxidants and flavor. Iced green tea, a refreshing and healthy alternative to sugary drinks. Green tea supplements or extracts, for those who want a concentrated dose of EGCG. It is important to note that while green tea is safe for most people, it does contain caffeine, so moderation is recommended, especially for individuals sensitive to stimulants. Drinking several cups throughout the day is generally safe, but extremely high doses may cause mild side effects. In conclusion, green tea is a natural powerhouse that combines antioxidant protection with gentle stimulation. It supports cardiovascular health, metabolism, mental focus, and overall well-being. By incorporating green tea into your daily routine, you provide your body and mind with a natural boost, while also enjoying a delicious and calming beverage. Nature has provided us with an incredible gift in green tea. From its rich antioxidants to its gentle energizing effects, it is a drink that promotes longevity, vitality, and overall wellness. Whether you enjoy it in the morning, during work, or as a relaxing ritual in the evening, green tea is a timeless ally for a healthy lifestyle. Thank you for listening, and I encourage you to explore the benefits of green tea in your daily life. Embrace this natural antioxidant and stimulant, and let it support your health, energy, and vitality every day.